Ekele m onye ọlele ihe m chọrọ nkwu ebe na ihe na ndị asụsụ because ihe ịghọtala ni ịchọ na ihe le mara because why oni nto etosome now I chọrọ ejo ma question because many people in many asini I do there you do any as you do no you do kan agents ule ko ano na mi ha akpọ mo owi Agbor owi ka akpọ tunu we mo tenwe but ihe ibi agba m ngara nya wo ni oge na se ga do bia na etu ordinary yin na ni do le ho wa ni okay now I ajumo ajuju ana di beda soma asụsụ ya asụ asụsụ ya asụ ejetu Igbo Anambra Imo Abia ejetu Ebonyi ejetu but obodo bụ nare nwa ahụ anị ndị a nwere kwa asụ ni nwa anụ ya asụ mara asụ ịka Agbor asụ wa ahụ anụ so ihe chọ na njụ efe ọhụ nwanne ka ya aza Chukwudi ndị agba aza ọrụ iche Chukwudi ndị Enugu ndị Akrotu Naija aza Ngozi Uche na Okenkwọ Wele onwe ihe riche Wele Igbo so ihe chọ na ọnụ mara anyị ndị because enye ndị edisigbole we and enye wa mole nwa onwe we heswe and ya chọ na edisibuzu we ya ha chọ na correct ne mistake ele bi ha kutokuko onto ati ya otanu so mu we se ne ndị lady ni maka ne won so mehe iku ese ne because Agbor emike and here this Agbor emike we say choni idoma ya yesi oku de rig do oku high but I actually jewa he chele ku ihe oshoku emume ne ndị excellent ndị wese na enwelo huwane were tokwa twin emume ne we huwane culture ne wake huwane the same thing obi ya azakwa aza eze obi weze ihe wa azazukwa obi wa aza ọba eze kwa aza the same thing ro so ihe chọ na ngwo no mostly support na Anioma we ke Anioma wasine obuchezukwa ne no made the 7th state of Eastern region accept na weka ekewashi East onye ka na fu aleka it already exist more than 2000 years ndị were claim ne ga do bia we ke root 2000 years one mistake for me and ya say ne you moledi nwata moledi a mistake for me ndị do west ne ga do bia we ke root 2000 years and when they kai roll 2000 years nearly prove ndị Igbo ka Igbo zo we say we data bendel Igbo ekezi we state we say we data Igbo ile ko mezi ndị mu jenzi maka na ego TikTok ego hole we say ne ele we fu Igbo we say south if just was south if just south Igbo we fula ati otanu ebe onye imare bi ya bia yake ya mare bi Jacob yaka chọrọ ndị ka mare ika kweni Anioma kweni Igbo kweni kwezweno.
You all have heard what our brother from Agbor said. Our brother said that Ika people have been lied to for so long, and that is why many of them claim that they are from Bini. That is the truth. You will see so many Ika people telling you that they are Bini people, But when you check their history, you will find out that They are just lying. They are saying all those things out of ignorance. Our kingdom in Ika is not of Bini origin. Agbor is not of Bini origin. Otoloko is not of Bini origin. Akumazi is not of Bini origin. Ibodo is not of Bini origin. And so on. But if you ask some people there, they will tell you that they are from Bini, which is very wrong. And their descendants have been propagating that lie, saying that they are Bini people, they are Bini people. You claim to be a Bini person, but the name of your ancestor is not a Bini name, but an Igbo name. The name of your ancestor is where you belong. Say your ancestors live Idu land, no mean say your ancestor na Bini person. Bini is not the only tribe in Idu land. In Idu land, there are indigenous Igbo people there, there are Igodomi people there, there are Esan people there, and some other tribes as well. The name of your ancestor in that Idu kingdom determines where you belong in that Idu kingdom. If your ancestor migrated from Idu kingdom and the name of that ancestor is an Esan name, then you are related to Esan. If it's an Igodomi name, you are related to Igodomi. If it's an Igbo name, then you are an Igbo person. So stop saying that my ancestor migrated from Bini, I'm a Bini person. No. Me, myself, my own ancestors migrated from Idu land. They don't bear Bini names, they bear Igbo names. Come to Ogume community. None of our ancestors is bearing a Bini name. Our ancestors in Ogume bear Igbo names, and that is why we Ogume people are Igbo people. Ogume is located in Okwane land. We are Igbo people. Ika people, wake up. Stop believing all those lies. All those things are just lies. Every Igbo speaking community is Igbo community. It's Igbo land, it's Igbo territory. Our brother said that he studied in Benin City, and in that place they call him Owika and Owiabo. This is to tell you that Benin people knows that you are not one of them. They don't only call Ika people Owika and Owiabo, they also call them Owibo. When they call you Owika, Owibo, they are simply telling you that you don't belong here, you are not one of us. Owibo, Owika is just like Igbo person, Ika person. During the genocide against the Igbos, when Ika people ran to Bini land for safety, Bini people were saying Owibo, Owibo, calling them Owibo, Owika. And Bini people were killing them in that genocide that took place in year 1967 to 1970. Bini people played a major role in that civil war by killing Igbo people. Bini people were killing Ika people. Ibanke people will tell you more. Ibanke people said that during that war that they ran to Bini land for safety, that Bini people were killing them, telling the Nigerian army, look at Igbo people, look at them, Omo Igbo, and they were killing Ibanke people. And today the same Bini people are online back and saying that they own Ibanke, that Ibanke people are Bini people. Can you imagine? Is that not foolishness? A people that you are killing, you are still claiming that they are part of you. Our brother from Ika said that they say that they are from Bini, but they don't speak Bini language. They don't practice Bini culture and tradition. It's true. In Ika land, they don't practice Bini culture and tradition. They don't speak Bini language. Check the whole deities in Ika land. Their deities are all Igbo deities. They have Nze deity, Ekwensu deity, and so on. All their deities are all bearing Igbo names, not Bini names. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. Their language is Igbo. Ika people don't worship Ogun. They don't worship Sango. They don't worship Orumila. They don't worship Odudua. They don't worship Eshu. And so on. All those deities are deities that came with Bini people from Yoruba land. Bini people are 100% Yoruba people. In fact, Bini people are more Yoruba than the Yoruba people in Ile-Ife. In Ika land, they don't have all those Yoruba deities. All the deities in Ika land are Igbo deities. Their cultures and tradition, masquerades, everything is Igbo. Our brother from Agbor asked a question. And he asked, how come are they from Bini but ended up speaking Igbo language instead of Bini language? This is a very good question. Ika land is not far from Bini. See Bini, see Ika. Yet, they don't speak the same language. They don't practice the same culture and tradition. This is to tell you that they are not one people. Some Ika people will tell you that they are not Igbo people. They have no connection with Igbo land. Nothing. Where Southeast they? Far from Ika land. Yet, Ika people, they speak Igbo language, the same language with the Southeast. How come you are not one with the Southeast, but you are speaking the same language with the Southeast? From Ika to Bini is trekkable. If you trek them, see around Igbo and others. Very close, yet they don't speak the same language. But see Southeast, for where Southeast today, see Ika people, they speak the same language. This is to tell you that all those Ika people saying that they are not Igbo people, they are just ignorant. They are ignorant, lying to themselves. You are from Bini, there is no Bini deity in your land to show that you people are from Bini. You are from Bini, you don't speak Bini language. Those your ancestors, you said that came from Idu land, those ancestors did not carry any Bini deity to their present location. Your ancestors came from Bini and took Igbo deities with them. Now Igbo deity is good for your ancestors to carry instead of to carry Ogun, Sango, Eshu and others. Your ancestors left their original deities, that is Bini deities, and took Igbo deities along with them. Make una think. How come Igbo deities are located in your land, but Yoruba deities that Bini people worship is not in Ika land? Make una think. Know where you belong. If you speak the same language with a group of people, you and that people are not the same people. You people are expected to identify with those people as one people. Stop making yourself a minority. It will never take you anywhere. Minorities for Nigeria, they cry. You beat them like say they be majority. You will be majority. You they count yourself out, making yourself a minority, which is very bad. Our brother from Agbor said that he have never gone to the Southeast, but he understands them, and the Southeast also understands Ika dialect. This is to tell you that we are one people. He have not stepped his foot in Southeast before, but when Southeast people speak, he hears and understands them. So many of our brothers in the Southeast, they have not been to Ika land before. But when Ika people speak, our Southeast brothers hear and understand them 100%. Is that not enough evidence for you to know that we are one people with the Southeast? When I was younger, I have never been to the Southeast. But if they speak, I hear and understand. If I speak, they hear and understand. Southeast people hear Okwane without difficulty. Okwane people also hear the dialect of Southeast without difficulty. Why if we say we dey hear each other? Last we not come be one people. Make una think. A person that you don't speak the same language with him, now separate person from you. Your brother is that person that you speak the same language, culture and tradition with. You are not one with Bini people. That was why they killed you during the genocide against the Igbos. Esa people and Bini people are not one people. And Bini people backed it up with evidence. Look at that incident that happened in Uromi, whereby some Northerners were killed there. Bini people started denying Esa people, saying that they are not one people with Esa people, that they don't speak the same language, that they are separate people entirely, that they don't hear each other's language. The video is on the internet. Go on TikTok, you will see those videos there. Bini people were denying Esa people. During hard times, the Igbo race identify with Ika people. If they hot for Ika land, the entire Southeast go stand with Ika people. If they hot for Okwane land, the entire Southeast go identify with Okwane people. They go stand with Okwane people. They go stand with Oshimila and Nyocha people. Because we are one people. No matter anything, our Igbo brothers from the Southeast will always stand by us. Because Igbo Bofu. Bini people will never stand with Ika people in the times of struggle. They are only deceiving you to take over your land. Your brother is that person that is with you when it's good and when it's bad. Odema Ojonjo, one no in Azo, Oyabu one ne. Our Ika brother said that, how come are Ika people bearing the same names with the Southeast? This is another good question. How come you claim your ancestors are from Bini and today you are not bearing Bini names? The title of your kings are Igbo titles and not Bini titles. Your culture, tradition, everything about Ika people is Igbo 100%. How come you are from Bini and everything Bini left you? You are not speaking Igbo language. Did Igbo people invade you and impose their language on you? No. Did they force you to start speaking Igbo language? No. How did you people started speaking Igbo language? The same Ika people will tell you that Ika language is the language of their ancestors. If Ika language is the language of your ancestors, are your ancestors in Bini land speaking Ika language, or they are speaking Bini language? They will start to look you. The language of your ancestors have always been Ika. The language of your ancestors have always been Igbo. Ika is an Igbo dialect. The same way Ika dialect is called Ika, is the same way Ukwane dialect is called Ukwane, is the same way Abreba dialect is called Abreba. But the name that holds the entire Bia speaking people is Igbo. We make up the Igbo race. We are all part of the Igbo race. Osane Bunde Igbo Bofu. Stop allowing lies and misinformation to separate you from your Bia speaking brothers. Our Agbor brother said that Agbor is older than Bini, and that Agbor is up to 2,000 years old. A man cannot be the child of his son. That is a fact. Agbor is very ancient kingdom. That community, he don't take that land. That kingdom, he don't take that kingdom. Agbor is very old and ancient. Agbor have been existing before Oduduwa that gave birth to Bini and Yoruba dynasties was born. The very first historian from Agbor is called A.E. Idue. According to A.E. Idue, Agbor dated back to 700 BC. And he said that Agbor was founded by a man called Ogele. He said that Ogele ruled Agbor with Eze title. He said that Ogele ruled Agbor with a full mantle of justice, leadership, authority, control, and so on. Ofo is the first determinant of Igbo identity. The same way Ogele used Ofo is the same way we Ukwane people used Ofo. Is the same way they use Ofo all over the southeast and all over Igbo land. If Ogele is not an Igbo person, how come he ruled Agbor kingdom with Eze title? It will say that the very first settlers in Agbor kingdom are Igbo people. So many elders from Agbor today, they agreed to what A.E. Idue said. A.E. Idue is from Agbor. He listed the names of the whole kings that ruled from the time of Ogele. Go to the internet, you will see it there. Everything he said concerning Agbor history is on the internet. Go and make research for confirmation. Some Agbor people will be telling you, now one about Bini became born them. Saying lies. A.E. Idue history is very different from what so many people are saying concerning Agbor history today. Agbor is older than Bini. Bini is just a kingdom of yesterday. Know how where Bini were just started yesterday go give birth to Agbor that is very ancient. Agbor don't worship Bini deities. They don't speak Bini language. They don't have Bini culture and tradition. There is nothing Bini in Agbor. Agbor people are Igbo people. If you are from Agbor, go to the internet and type A.E. Idue. You will see everything that is written by A.E. Idue. Your own Agbor father, your own Agbor brother, your own Agbor relative. The history is there. Go and make research. Stop believing in all these things that you see Ilebiri people backing online. Ilebiri people love you, yet when you ran into their land for safety during the genocide against the Igbos, they killed you. Bini people were using Ika people in Idu kingdom for slavery and sacrifice in the past. That was why so many Ika communities left that place to their present location. And when they left that place, they did not carry any Bini deities because they are not Bini people. They came back with the deities that their ancestors have been worshipping in that Idu kingdom. Our brother from Agbor said that they, Ika people, are Igbo people, and the world calls them Igbo. He said that they are called Bendel Igbo when they were in Bendel State. He said that they are called Delta Igbo now that we are in Delta State. He said that we are in South and we are called South Igbo. The world have been calling we Anioma people Igbos for so long. When we were in Western region, we were called Igbos in Western region. When we were in Midwestern region, we were called Midwestern Igbos. We left Midwestern region and we were joined to Bendel State. In that Bendel State, we were called Bendel Igbos. We left Bendel State to Delta State. Now we are called Delta Igbos. We are located in the South. We are called South Igbos. So the world knows us as Igbo people. Those Ika people that are saying, we Ika people, we are not Igbos. So the law of Delta states recognized Ika people as Igbo people. There's nothing like Ika tribe, Okwani tribe, Oshimili tribe, and Yocha tribe. We all are regarded as Igbo people. It was recorded. We are Igbo people. Even if the country recognizes Ika as a separate ethnic group, recognize Okwani as a separate ethnic group, Okwani and Ika are Igbo people. The country knows. Even if Ikwere people are being registered as a separate identity, a separate ethnic group from the Igbo race, the federal government recognize them as Igbo people. It's just politics, divide and rule, that's all. If you Ika people like hold press conference, do protests, say you not be Igbo people, you are just wasting your time. Because the federal government sees you people as Igbo people. Buhari saw Emefiele as an Igbo man. Buhari said that Emefiele is the CBN governor and he's an Igbo man. Now Buhari talker. Buhari see Ika people as Igbo people. The entire North see Ika people as Igbo people. And you see some of them say, we are not Igbo people. What are you? Anyone that tells you he hates the Southeast and love Ika people, that person is lying. When you Ika people start saying that you people are Igbo people, that person will start hating you too because you have started to embrace your Igbo identity. Anyone who hates Southeast Igbos, hates South Igbos. Anyone that loves the Southeast, love Okwane people, love Ika people, love Oshimili people, love Anyocha people, love Ikwere people. They hate that name Igbo. They want to make sure that anything Igbo goes into extinction. But they will fail because they are destined to be failures. We the Igbo unification movement say no, enough is enough. Igbos must unite. Our brother from Agbor said that Ika people should support Anioma state because they are all Igbo people. Ika people support Anioma state creation because Anioma state creation will benefit Ika people. It will benefit Okwane people. It will benefit Anyocha people. It will benefit Oshimiri people. Anioma state belongs to Anioma people. Now Anioma people get Anioma state. Now Anioma people will decide what will happen for Anioma state. Stop being afraid that if we go to the southeast, insecurity, this, that. Are there no insecurity in Anioma land? There is insecurity here. Who are the people causing that insecurity? Are they from southeast? No. So stop saying that insecurity, this, that. All those things are just what the enemies are using to scare you, to keep you away from our southeast brothers. But they will fail. Igbo Bofu. Our brother from Agbor said that Anioma state will be used to balance the southeast as the sixth southeast state, and that we should accept it because we are one people with the southeast. Anioma state will never be in the south. We have no business with south people. Anioma state is an Igbo speaking state, and we Anioma people, we are expected to be zoned to the southeast and be with the people that we speak the same language, culture and tradition with. Everyone that speaks the same language, culture and tradition are meant to be together, not division. Division is not what we want. When you hear the name Wazobia, Ika people belongs to the Bia family. Ukwan people belongs to the Bia family. Ikwere belongs to the Bia family. Every Bia and Chuku speaking people belongs to one family, and that family is called Igbo. We are Igbo people. Let's support Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. A wise and intelligent Ika person wants Anioma state to be zoned to the southeast. We are not benefiting anything in this south. South is just marginalizing us. You don't feel there with people who say you have nothing in common with them. Our brother from Ika said that if Ika people join Anioma state and be zoned to the southeast, that they still remain Ika people, and that no one will take anything away from them. That is true. We Okwane people, if we join Anioma state and be zoned to the southeast, we remain Okwane people. Ika people remain Ika people. Oshimili people remain Oshimili people. Anyocha people remain Anyocha people. No one will take anything away from us. We are the ones that will be governing Anioma. We are the ones that will be ruling Anioma. We are the ones that will be controlling our resources in Anioma land. So stop believing all those lies and propaganda from our enemies that are saying, Southeast will come and be your governor. They will come and take your throne. They will come and be ruling you. They will come and do this. They will come and do that. All those things are just propaganda to make sure that we are separated from our Southeast brothers. We are better than our enemies. And if you check, our enemies are all minorities. They want to see us divided so that we will be minorities like them. It's very hard to see a minority that wants a majority to be united. We will never allow bitter souls, animals in human form, from other tribes to divide us. We Igbos are one people. Ika people are Igbos, Ukwane people are Igbos, Ikwere people are Igbos, the entire Sasa Igbos are Igbo people. Igbo bofu. But you could bless this our brother from Agbor for saying the truth. We are one people. We want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. And we will never allow anyone, politics and propaganda to divide us. Ishiegware.